All right, people, we're back. We're back on. Let me get the Zoom guys back in. All right, welcome back in, guys. We're getting a breakout here on gold, which is good. We may have a top wick and we may have some sells into some decent lows here. So get ready for an instant top wick here on gold. We're going to be looking to sell into this lower level down here where I got that dotted line. And we could have some sells here on Goldie. Let me just quickly fire up top step again. Top step. Let's see. Top wick, and we got some sells. See if Goldie's going to be good to us and give it to us. Instant bottom wick. As long as you don't grab the lows. Don't do it, Goldie. Don't do it. Yeah, that's alright. That's good. Let's go. So we got London Open here as well. So you just finally, you know, this hourly has just ripped all these highs, failed to close above this resistance, and now broken out. So we got volume and we got a breakout now. So we need a top wick and we're going to look for some sells. And you got sells all the way down to a much lower area here on gold. So at any top wick, we're going to look for some sells. That was actually a very nice hourly closure. You got that breakout. We grabbed some highs. We got some downside targets. Are we in the top step? Yeah, cool. We're in top step. Oh no, don't do it, Cody. Don't just rip the lows. Oh, all I need is a top wick to we can get these sales. There's no top wick on this Audi. Oh, I mean, there is a very minor one, but I don't really care about that. There's not enough. Not enough. Oh, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. You know, you may grab these lows, but we have a look overall. Remember, like we said, there's still the possibility of gold, you know, coming all the way back down to here. So even if we grab this low, sells aren't over. You still got all the way down here to come and grab. So this is fine. So as an aggressive, very aggressive hourly close, you ripped two hourly double highs, finally broke out of the range, and even broke this support, which is great. So all I want to see is the top wick into there, and then we can keep selling this motherfucker. Still haven't grabbed the lows, which is nice. Starting to create that top wick now. Let's have a look at the 5 minute here on gold. Yeah, nice. Pulling up now. Go down to the 5 minute. So, imagine a lot of people probably trying to jump in these longs here on gold. People try and jump in longs. Where's their stop going to be? Just below that low there. So if we start to pull back up into here, what do we have from here into here? About, yeah, 22 ticks. Nice. Did your stream crash? Nah, stream didn't crash. I just ended it till we got a breakout. And we finally broke out, so we jumped back on. I wasn't watching it go sideways. I was waiting for it to break out. And I had some alerts go off. And then saw we were starting to break out, so we fired it up again. $25 here. Yeah, we got a potential like 25-ish tick move on the cards. I'm looking to sell gold down into that. This is a strong area that you're reacting off here, but because we understand liquidity, we know gold's never just going to rip off that double bottom. So most people will be looking at this support, trying to jump in longs, which will give it some sort of a reaction first. Maybe come and grab some 5-minute highs, and then boom, amazing, we've got shorts into this double bottom down here. I think the DXY ended up doing exactly what we said yesterday as well. Remember yesterday we said on the DXY that you're bouncing off that trend line an insane amount of times that you were going to break it. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. DXY was never going to push up. Gold was never going to go down with the DXY bouncing off this massive trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches of a trend line. The US dollar was never going to gain strength from there. This is never going to happen. So you smash that trend line beautifully. Which is why gold ended up having that big push up, which was perfect. So we're getting that instant top wick here. It's a big level. It's a very big level. All we could do is, because this alley's now creating a bottom wick and now it's creating a top wick, all we could actually do is actually just resell the flip of the body to come all the way down into here. So if we mark on this point here, we're looking to, you know, by the time this hourly closes, we want to see this hourly top wicking and closing like somewhere down here. That's how we're anticipating the next hour to close. Just grabbing previous 5-minute highs there. 5 minutes just wicked out these highs. Maybe a similar play to what we took yesterday when we lift these equal lows. This 5-minute recloses back bearish. You got a decent stop loss placement now. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. Got a little 10 tick on that push down. Yeah, nice man, nice. 10 ticks is good, man. What are we looking at here? I get short soon. Not in sells yet. I'm just looking at what it would look like. We're trying to run it down to here. Break even point would be here. We're trying to run it down to here. Better late than never. I would like to see this 5 close bearish. You've got 2 little 5-minute equal lows there now. One more minute. Instant top wick on this next 5 and we'll look for some sells and it'll be exactly the same as that trade we took yesterday. And our stop loss will be pretty decent. It'll be like about 10 ticks, which is nice. Don't want it any higher than this 5. If you break this 5 high, you'll probably retrace much higher, then I'll just look to re-enter later. I want to see this 5-minute high respected for this hourly to continue pushing lower. 8 seconds here on Goldie. Yeah, break even on the lows, guys. I think so, man. I think so. That's why it'd be ideal if we can get an entry up here so we can kind of be safe. I don't want an entry here because you won't survive it. Pull up a little bit more. Come up a little bit more, gold. Back up into this zone. I'm not going to sell it from here. It's not worth it. I want it to pull back up a little bit more. Futures is pulling up. Futures is lagging a little bit. You did get a top wick, but you sell it from here. Your break-even point is 6 ticks. I could get a much easier trade than the 6 ticks today. So I need to pull back more for it to be worthwhile. Nah, grabbed it. Grabbing it. That was it. See how you react to these lows. Did you just wick it out? Yeah, you did. Look at that. You just wicked it out. Oh, look at this 4 hour on gold. Look at that. Wow, how long did that close? It's 2 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, I think I do think you're gonna come lower. Entry at 46.89, 46.89. This one? Yeah, once you rip the highs here, close back bearish. Yeah, selling that one. Yeah, for sure. 100%, man. This is a very nice one. You would have wanted to see this one actually close. This one closed near to this low, kind of similar to what we were doing here. And you got that beautiful instant top wick. And then boom, as soon as you grab those, you'll break even and you're very safe there. Capital is required to trade futures if you don't go down. No idea really, just whatever makes sense. You're only really looking to make like 5 to 10% a month maybe. So whatever makes sense for that account size really. There's probably like a minimum of like $1,000, but no one should be trading with $1,000 personal. You'll blow it. You will lose it. Shouldn't trade with anything less than like 5,000, to be honest. 5,000 I'd say probably the bare minimum. We are rejecting these lows here on gold. How's that 15 looking? Yeah, 15's still looking pretty bearish. You may grab previous 15 highs. If we top wick into 15 highs, that would be the next area of interest to sell. You know, although you've grabbed these lows, I still like this area in the 4 hourly to be tapped. Oh, we can have. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal highs. Look at this daily. Even today, you could literally just wait for the daily to flip bullish and have a 200 tick trade. It's very simple. If it doesn't flip bullish, then who cares? But if it does, amazing, you'll have a great trade. Same as yesterday. Said longs if you break above, like, you know, this support. Sells if you break back below, like here or something. Broke above, long, broke above, long. Simple. Super simple. Instant top wick on this 15. Which is nice. No bottom wick at all, which is good. Very nice top wick. I'm not short in this flip because you're clearly finding some support. If I'm gonna short a 15 candle, it needs to grab some highs. You're finding major support to the left here. The only way I would take the flip of this 15 is if we start grabbing maybe some 15 highs. Look at that 30. Major level. Hourly. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. Grabbing the lows, grabbing the highs. How's that 15 looking? Yeah, 215 equal lows. You're very likely going to rip them lows. So we get top wick. Still got more sells. Oh, I wasn't quick enough there. You got that instant top wick. I wasn't quick enough to get it just yet. Let's see. You could literally do that. Main thing is, what's your break even? 7 ticks. Yeah, I'm not sitting here for 7 ticks. I'll get if I want 7 ticks today, I'll get it much easier than that. I'm not taking that. It's not worth it. 7 ticks is not worth my time. Not worth my time. I still want long stay. Longs is my preferred play. Any sells would just be small scalps, but I'm not taking a trade for 7 ticks. If there's low volume, you know, fills may be slightly choppy as well. So even if you did take that little one there, like that, you're obviously trying to run it down to here. But as soon as you start grabbing previous lows, you got to be managing. You may just about survive. Survive some poor entries. There you go. Now she's breaking. You want to be careful anywhere anywhere in here. You do want to be careful in all of that. Yeah, look how shit the 5 is. 5 is so much noise on the 5, but the 30 is actually looking pretty clean. So even if you did take that 5 flip, you'd be out of break even. You re-grab these little lows. As soon as you grab them little lows there, you have to manage your risk. You'd be out there break even straight away. So you're just wicking 15, rejected the lows, re-grab the lows with this major support, starting to push back up. How's that 4 hour looking now? Yeah, 4 hour grab and then previous 4 hour lows. Could it wick all the way back up in an hour and a half? I doubt it. Strong close above 23,451. Potentially go long. 25.1. Probably want it much higher than that. If you got resistance there. So if you take longs before that, you could easily just tap into that and just go lower. You get trapped out pretty quick. I personally would take longs maybe once you get back above here. Back above there, and you got buys up into there and there. That'd probably be my best place to look for longs, I think. Until then, I would only just look for these sells. How's that 5 looking? Yeah, fucking messy, man. Very, very messy. What do you have? You got a liquidity low here now. You got a lot of equal highs. Even to retrace that previous 15 to 13 ticks. Again, I'm not sitting here for 13 ticks today. You could get that in 2 seconds in New York session. Forcing that right now, it's not worth it. I'll see this 30 close. Probably gonna close doji. Which if it does, that's fine. I'm literally just gonna wait for us to get back above there and go long. Probably closer to the US session, I think. Hey Aaron, you here? Do you ever trade? Yes, thank you. Hey man, nah, I used to. I only trade gold now, man. I used to trade Nasdaq and S&P, but nah, Goldie's good enough for me, man. Gold gives me more than enough opportunities, and I find it just moves a lot cleaner and better during my trading sessions as well. I used to trade it, but yeah, I don't anymore. Head and shoulders on the 15. Yeah, I'm mainly looking for this kind of big overall inverse one. And you have this huge head down here. We could easily You know, we could easily come all the way back down here before seeing that massive, the big overall longs this week. Or correlated? Nah, not really. Nah, just understand liquidity and the way that gold moves. I got a lot of videos on it, but yeah, you just need to understand how gold moves. It moves very different to other things, but once you understand it, you realize it actually moves pretty simple. Just try and watch for bias. Just go back and watch it. I'm not going to go over every time someone comes in and out, man. $15's creating a morning star. 30-minute looking like it's going to keep pushing down. Kind of got two different things going on here. Look at this 5. 5 is just kind of finding some support here. 5 is to get the more sells down into there. Kind of want to see these highs grab, to be honest. Grab them highs, break back below, and then shorts down into here. Which I think I might just wait on soon. Remember, we got longs above here as well. Yeah, have a good day. Yeah, enjoy, Brian. See you next time, man. You're gonna miss much. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, look at that. That's a big hourly level. So you don't want to be trading against this previous hourly just yet. In a way, you can trade against this big alley that just ripped some highs and closed aggressive bearish if you close back below, back above there. Other than that, there's zero reason to try and trade against that. If you would take a big fib on from this massive move yesterday, yeah, we could easily come way back down here. Easily. Yeah, look at this 5. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. That's me done for London. I'm not gonna watch this anymore. I'm gonna wait for price to get above here for some more shorts down into there. But I'm probably not gonna watch this for the next, I'd say probably 2 hours. I want to see a lot more price action than this. I'm not getting chopped up before major news when volume will be much better and the trades will be much easier. So yeah, Zoom guys, we'll just end it there again. There's no point watching this. Once the alert goes off, I'll update you guys in Discord for some potential shorts. But right now, I'm actually just going to close the charts and leave it. I have no downside alerts. I'm not really interested in watching this. And we'll do the New York market call in about, what time is it? About 3 hours just before that New York session. So Zoom guys, close the charts. Go enjoy your day and come back for that news later on. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up again. Hoping we could jump on and get some shorts, but yeah, you're just ranging. You got Jolt's job openings later on, which is going to bring some big volume. And I'm just going to wait for that. I'm not going to sit here and watch it any longer. I'm going to go do some other stuff, close the laptop, get off the charts for a little bit, wait for that New York session. So, appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. We'll be live again, same time again tomorrow. No trades today. We had a good trade yesterday. No trades today. But we'll see what tomorrow brings and hopefully see you guys then. Be safe with the news later on, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Peace.